Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how a family that comes to the United States based on immigrant visa, such as DV visa, or let's say a husband sponsors his wife and let's say they have 2 kids. So how can they maximize and take full advantage of child tax credit and earned income tax credit? Because there are certain guidelines that have to be met for a family with qualifying children to get benefit of child tax credit and earned income tax credit. And that could be in thousands depending on how much income that family earned during the year. So the key is that, let's say, sometimes it's not in your control to take full advantage of it. So if a family with regular income, let's say $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 with 2 or 3 qualifying children, is in the US for the whole year, let's say for 2022, because right now we are filing taxes for 2022, then there's no issue. But if the family gets a DV visa, gets immigrant visa, and it comes to the United States until June, they are still okay. But if the family comes to the US in July or afterwards, then they will not be able to claim child tax credit or earned income tax credit, even though everything else they qualify, like they have a right amount of income, they have Social Security cards, they have everything. But they were not here for more than 6 months during the year, the tax year, which is from January 1st to December 31st. They will not be able to take advantage of these 2 credits. Now, obviously, if they got visa in June, July, or after that, they will not be able to do so. But if they got visa in January, February, March, April, May, even June, and if, let's say a husband is here and his wife and children are coming, he should try to bring them here in June. And if somebody got DV visa, let's say in January, February, same thing, until June, they should come here before June. The only thing is, a lot of times they don't know. So last couple of weeks, I got few families on DV visa, and only I think one of them came before June. So that family was able to get benefit of child tax credit and earned income tax credit. And even we filed tax for one family day before yesterday. So they came in September. Other family came in November of 2022. So obviously not everybody knows about it. They even don't think about it. But just for information purposes, if you know somebody, let's say now this year, if somebody is coming on immigrant visa or they are coming on DV visa, you know about them and they have children, and we know that when they come here, they're going to go to work. So they will have earned income. So maybe, you can tell them, hey, you better come here June, May, June, but not in July. You will lose this big credit. So I hope it helps. Thank you very much for watching.